The sky is still asleep, but I am wide awake. Time to go.
Early start today. Thank you for the breakfast.
Watching the world wake up. The volcano is waiting for us.
It looks like the earth is breathing here. Slow, powerful breaths. I feel so small standing here. Nature is truly incredible. Walking on land born from fire. It's strange, quiet, and beautiful.
This rock is warm. How old is this volcano?
Oh, she is still young and very active.
Warm beam from deep below. It smells like sulfur. Whew.
From fire to water, the black sand looks like crushed velvet. Lunch on a lava beach. Even the sand has a story.
Suddenly, everything changes. The air is heavy with green magic. Look at these giant leaves. They catch every drop of rain.
Fire and rain, side by side. What a magical island.